Hey there, managers. Ever faced a recurring problem that just won't go away? Meet root cause analysis, or RCA. It's a game changer. RCA is a structured methodology to dig deep and identify the real reason behind issues. No more quick fixes or band-aid solutions. So what's RCA all about? It's a robust process involving data collection, cause identification, analysis, and solution development. The best part, it actively involves stakeholders, ensuring everyone's on board. At Mindbell, I focus on equipping you with top-notch RCA tools and techniques. Ever heard of fishbone diagrams, the 5 whys, and Pareto charts? I'll show you practical examples of how to use them effectively. Conducting RCA isn't just about identifying problems, it's about structured data gathering, thorough analysis, and collaborative solutions. Whether it's quality issues or service improvements, RCA is versatile. And let's talk about the RCA report. It includes a clear problem statement, in-depth root cause analysis, and actionable solutions, but it doesn't end there. Implementing these solutions requires monitoring and preventive measures to ensure lasting effectiveness. Seeking certification? Mindbell offers varied levels, enhancing your credibility and expertise. Imagine boosting your career prospects with recognized RCA certification. Why choose Mindbell? As a trusted edtech company, I deliver high-quality, up-to-date training programs tailored to industry needs. From classroom to online, corporate group to one-to-one training, I've got you covered. Ready to elevate your problem-solving skills and enhance your career? Connect with Mindbell today. Email support@mindbell.com or visit our website. Cheers to your continuous improvement journey.